People were looking for Jesus, but not for the reason he hoped. They followed him because they were fed, because their hunger was satisfied. But Jesus gently told them, "You are looking for me not because you understand, but because you received bread." And maybe we are like them also. We come to God when we need something, when we are tired, when we are afraid or in pain. But today, Jesus invites us to something deeper. Do not work for food that perishes, but for the food that lasts forever. Because your heart is not only hungry for solutions, your heart is hungry for Him. You know, Jesus is not just someone who gives blessings, He is the blessing. He is the one who understands you, who stays with you, who feels the emptiness inside you. So today, don't just seek His gifts, seek Him. Because when you find Jesus, you will never be empty again. Amen.